guys, and now let's talk about the chart. We need to have a real talk about the charts. No hype, no moonboy lines, just cold, hard data, while the comment section is full of people claiming we're breaking all-time highs today. Let's look at where the price is actually sitting right now. Right now, Baby Doge is trading steadily in the 4.2 to 4.3 zone. That's 9 zeros, Fox. Over the last 24 hours, we've seen a minor 4% correction, pulling total 24-hour volume to around $2.6 million across the major exchanges. It's not a vertical pump, but it's a critical consolidation floor. The broader crypto market is currently sitting at 43 on the Fear and Greed Index. People are hesitant, which explains why the price action has been mostly sideways this week. But here's the bullish anchor. Out of the last 30 days, we've clocked 14 green days with remarkably low 4% volatility.